Almost had it, Joe. Almost had it.
Hold on 1 second. Let me take a photo.
It was shaking while I was climbing.
Sorry.
You're good. The 4 blades is what grabbed it.
Look at that.
Yeah, with me up here, it probably gives it perspective.
Yeah.
Beast mode. Just perfectly right in there. Oh, come here, Joan. I need my other finger. It did break that mount.
Rescuer of drones. He just likes to climb.
I do. Oh. GoPro still recording. See it? Yeah, just right there is split.
Oh, that's been like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but not that. It's actually a little worse. But the screw fell out. And it kind of grazed the lens.
Good thing you just moved it back.
Yeah, like that's what I made. I was like, I'm moving this motherfucker back, bro. Oh, I know, cause I didn't change that screw. I gotta change that screw. That's cool, dude. That was sick, bro.